Today we are going to see sum number 6 of chapter number 1, Introduction to Partnership. Profit of the partnership firm of Sheila, Surbhi and Sanket is 1,35,000. They have shared profit in the ratio of 2:1:3 instead of 3:2:3. What accounting treatment is to be given to the capital account to rectify this error? Okay, so your correct proportion is 3:2:3, but they have shared their profit in wrong proportion, that is 2:1:3. We have to rectify this error. Now your correct distribution of profit in ratio. Total profit is 1,35,000. Okay, so 1,35,000 multiplied by 3/8. How 3/8? 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 3 is 8. So 1,35,000 multiplied by 3/8 is 50,625. Here ratio of Sheila and Sanket is same. So 50,625 and 50,625. And ratio of Surbhi is 2. So 1,35,000 multiplied by 2/8 is 33,750. Now wrong distribution is 2:1:3. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. So 1,35,000 multiplied by 2/6 is 45,000. 1,35,000 multiplied by 1/6 is 22,500. And 1,35,000 multiplied by 3/6 is 67,500. We have to minus this wrong distribution from correct. So we will get the answer plus 5,625 plus 11,250 and minus 16,875. Whatever minus is there, it will be debited, and whatever plus is there, it will be credited. Now we will see rectification of error of this entry. Sanket's capital account debit 16,875 to Sheila's capital account and to Surbhi's capital account. 5,625 and 11,250. Here we have to write narration being rectification entry for wrong distribution of profit by wrong ratio. Sum number 7. Ram, Rahim and Ishu are partners of the partnership firm. Their capital as on 1/4/16 was 60,000, 40,000 and 50,000 respectively. After the distribution of the profit of the year, it was realized that charging of 6% interest on partners' capital account was missed out. Write an entry for the rectification of error. Okay. Here they have missed out to write the interest on capital. Now here Ram, Rahim, Ishu total. Interest on capital 6%. Capital of Ram is 60,000. 6% of 60,000 is 3,600. 6% of 40,000 is 2,400 and 6% of 50,000 is 3,000. So your total of this is 9,000. Now we have to reduction in the profit equal to the amount interest on capital. Whatever amount is there in their equal proportion, we have to reduce the amount. So total is 9,000 and equal proportion means from 3 of them we have to deduct 3,000, 3,000, 3,000. Total is 9,000. 3,600 minus 3,000 is plus 600. 2,400 minus 3,000 is minus 600. Here both are 3,000, so here it will come 0. Whatever plus is there, credit, and negative, debit. Now here we have to rectify the error. Rahim's capital current account debit 600 to Ram's capital current account 600. Narration being the computation of interest on capital at 6% was missed out and is rectified. Sum number 8. Lata, Geeta and Pravina are partners of the partnership firm. After distribution of profit of the year, it was realized that charging of interest on partners' drawing account respectively 2700, 1200, 1500 was missed out. Write an entry for the rectification of error. Here, three partners are there: Lata, Geeta and Pravina. Okay, here they have missed out to calculate interest on drawing. So interest on drawing is minus 2700, minus 1200 and minus 1500. So total is minus 5400. Now this 5400 will be distributed equally among these three partners. So equal means 1800, 1800 and 1800. So here we will get minus 900, here we will get plus 600 and here we will get plus 300. Plus credit and minus debit. Okay, here as it is interest on drawing, we have to write increase in profit. If it is interest on capital, then we have to write reduction in profit. There are difference between two. If capital is there, then we have to write reduction, and if drawing is there, then we have to write increase. Okay, in case of increase in capital, in case of interest on capital will be written upside. It will be written upside like this, and reduction in profit will be written down. And in case of interest on drawing will be written downside, and it is written increase in profit. Okay, now rectification of error. Lata's capital current account debit 900, to Geeta's capital current account 600, and to Pravina's capital current account 300. We have to keep in mind difference of interest on capital and interest on drawing. We have to keep in mind format of interest on capital and interest on drawing. In particular, in interest on capital, first will come interest on capital, and then we have to write reduction in profit, and both will be distributed equally. In reduction in profit will be distributed equally in the total amount of interest on capital. Interest on drawing, first in particular it will come increase in profit, and second is interest on drawing. Increase in profit will be distributed equally as the amount of interest on drawing. Sum number 9. Mukesh, Dhaval and Vinod are the partners of the partnership firm. Their capital proportion is 4:2:3. Dhaval and Vinod has given assurance to Mukesh that he will get minimum 35,000 from the profit. The profit of the year is 90,000. How will you distribute the profit among the partners? Now here they have told that the capital proportion is 4:2:3, and Dhaval and Vinod have given assurance to Mukesh that he will get minimum 35,000. Now profit of the firm is 90,000. Now here in introduction we have seen that if profit and loss distribution ratio is not given, then it will be distributed equally among all the partners. In question they have given partners capital, but they have not given profit and loss sharing ratio. So we have to distribute profit and loss equally among all the partners. So as per distribution equally, profit received by Mukesh is 90,000 multiplied 1 by 3 is 30,000. Now here we have seen that Dhaval and Vinod have given assurance that Mukesh will receive 35,000, but he is receiving 5,000 less. As here Dhaval and Vinod has given assurance about this that he will get 35,000. Now this 5,000 will be given equally by Dhaval and Vinod. So remaining 5,000 will be given to Mukesh by Dhaval and Vinod in profit and loss sharing ratio of 1:1. So amount given by Dhaval to Mukesh is 2,500, 5000 multiplied by 1 by 2, and by we know 5000 multiplied by 1 by 2 is 2500. Okay, so your distribution of profit equally 30,000, 30,000, 30,000, total is 90,000. Afterwards, payable or receivable, payable by धवल minus 2500 and here minus 2500, and receivable में मुकेश is 40, sorry, received by Mukesh is 5,000. So total is 35,000, 27,500 and 27,500. Total is 90,000.